Absolutely.
So you know where our heads are at. Okay, what's the date? It's the 9th. Morning, fellas. Jomar, you want to give us your update?
So my update for yesterday is I rebased my pending PRs and also committed some fixes to resolve conflicts. And for today, I'll continue with my other pending PRs.
Okay. So you got a list of things to get done. And JP, how about you?
Yesterday I checked some PRs per request, and today probably checking some per request also, and gonna start working on the um deletion of the routes from the TernKey.
Yes, sounds good. Honestly, pull requests are prioritized.
Mm-hmm.
And Sangeet, your update?
Yeah, I fixed most of the errors and warnings, and I just created a PR for that. But there are a couple of still left, like just two, three ones. So I'll try to create a PR today for that one too.
Okay, does anybody have word on Ernest fixing up his PRs?
You mean somebody, not Ernest?
He's gonna help us wrap up a couple things, Maxim said.
Oh, really?
Guy's got a heart of gold. I'd
Okay.
like for him to join in real quick just to let us know. Okay, so put a pin in Ernest for now. And Manon, any updates on your side?
I'm still working on that function, invoice function.
Oh yeah, that new one that
Yeah.
So yesterday, halfway through the day, Manon and Maxim realized there was another function that needed to be created. So now there's one more function to build and integrate. Which one is it, Manon?
Invoice.
Invoice. The invoice one. Yeah. So, and just so you're aware, Adrian and JP, the two pull request reviewers, Maxim is going to, while you guys are doing pull requests and getting those approved and whatnot, Maxim's going to be working on the modal for Arch, the pop-up modal at the end of Arch that shows you how to get that lets you click the website for whatever the advertisement's for, and lets you click Arch, the link to Arch, so that you know who created the dang thing, and we can actually market ourselves every time it's in use. So I mean, he'll be prioritizing that, but whatever anytime you guys have a fix up for a pull request, he'll reprioritize and make that the priority kind of thing.
Right, but can I just say one thing?
Yeah.
As an ideal, or as a goal, I want everybody to make sure that they're like very meticulous about putting their instructions on how to check their tasks. And on top of that, I want us to, set up a goal where the pull request will pass, as opposed to us like having to find errors. So the way to do that is like, testing these in use cases where you don't just test it in one spot, test it in different spots, on how the user would interact with it, so that if we do check your work, it passes with flying colors within 10 minutes. So we don't have to go through, having to refer to any of the developers for any ways on how to solve these errors that we see when we first do the pull request.
Mm-hmm.
So that would save us all so much more time.
Yeah, like just in general, I mean, I told Maxim to go slower, to build slower, because I know in the beginning I told him just go as fast as he could. But now that we're working with other people and we're doing quality assurance, we do have to slow down, and we want to get as much right as we can the first time we code.
Absolutely.
And this is like, we're really getting towards the pinnacle of professionalism and how you do this right. The only things that are holding us back from being full-blown professionals and a full-blown professional team at this point is money. That is the only thing that's making it so that we're not able to purchase, develop, and a staging server right now, and we're not able to get this and that. But as far as how we're operating, we were very close to the top of like a professional team. We're getting really close, and so you want to figure out how to, because this is like great for everybody's career growth too, and trajectory, and how valuable you are as an employee asset. Like just instruction so that your code is like golden and polished by the time it gets to the next person, where they don't really need to talk to you about anything, kind of
Exactly.
thing.
Yeah.
So instructions, but also check your work in like, how do you mean to check it in from multiple angles, Adrian? Can you give an example of what you mean? Like, I imagine like getting there from multiple routes.
Yeah.
To see what that's like. And
yeah, and then also like maybe thinking about the use cases where the user doesn't have everything that you have on your computer. So making sure that you make sure that you tell the QAs or whoever's checking your work that, oh, you have to npm install, or you have to do all this other things to make sure that you can have the testing as smooth as possible.
mm-hmm. Yeah, and what that makes me think about is while you're working, there's sort of three mindsets you have to be in. One is yourself as a developer. Another is the team and the other developers that you're communicating with when you write this, and then also putting yourself in the shoes of the user. Like at the end of the day, what is happening? Because I'm usually always putting myself in the shoes of the user, because I have to get out there and sell it and talk to these people. And so it doesn't, like I was telling my nun last night, if I had $1 for every time I heard it works on my local, I'd be a billionaire.
Right.
It doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter at all if it works on the local. I'm sure the code will work, and maybe one semicolon was in the wrong spot. It works on the local. Great. That's just basically a typo check. But as far as like, did we do it right? Is it all the way through the pipeline correctly? And I'm playing around with it on GCP. Like I actually don't like breaking out Git bash. I never want to be looking at develop or the main branch, because I want to make sure that the flow all the way to GCP is always streamlined.
Right.
And we're working on that, but
yeah, nothing else matters. The most important thing that matters is that the user can get to it, and that the user doesn't care that your local is working.
yes,
The
user doesn't care, and they don't know, and they'll never know.
Right.
So definitely keep that in mind, and keep those mindsets in mind. Be the developer, but also keep the team in mind, and then also keep the user in mind. You got to be three people at once, sort of thing.
Yeah.
Where's Wasim? Like Wasim and Kerman to help figure out a couple of things with GCP. One, why I kind of know the answer to why we're having issues in GCP when we deploy. And the issue is that we don't have a developed server, like a duplicate GCP server for the staging branch or the develop branch. So we're not able to absolutely check, yep, it will work on GCP, and then we push it. We have to push it and then find out if it works or not. So we either have to do one of two things. We have to figure out a way to test it on the GCP on the server and make sure it works before it actually is on main. Or we have to strategically plan that when we provide an update, it's at like a weird time at night, maybe. But that's weird because a lot of our users are going to be on at night, or maybe in the morning. We test it really quick. We merge with main, and then we check it on GCP. And if it doesn't work, we just unmerge. Like we find out the problem and we unmerge it real quick.
Well, that's not ideal. Like we don't ever want to revert all the time.
I know. Yeah.
Let me say one thing. We don't have that same issue on website that we don't have that same issue on TernKey that we do on the website. And I know that when we talked yesterday, that Wasim was saying that the instructions for the pipeline aren't the same instructions that he uses on GCP, and that's the issue why we're getting the 502 gateway. So the thing that I'm thinking about is that Wasim and Kerman just needs to communicate.
Well, when you weren't there, so I didn't actually get to update you. The reason why we were able to fix the server yesterday is because Wasim reverted the changes and Kerman made the necessary changes in the pipeline that Wasim said.
Okay,
Were
so
necessary.
we can test the main branch right now if it passes with flying colors.
Oh, there he is. Okay, let's have Kerman. Is he in the meeting now?
I don't see him. He might be. There he
Okay,
is.
just took a while to load. Hey, Kerman, we were just talking about the fix that happened yesterday because Adrian was a part of the conversation in the beginning, but he didn't get to hear the actual resolution. So I was just explaining how the way we fixed the website is we did two things. One, we reverted the changes so that the website was back. But then two, Wasim had you update the pipeline, correct? To match what he does on his end.
Right. Yes.
Well, all right.
You have to turn off our cameras.
Are you good, Kerman? Can you hear us? Maxim, you can back out of this for now. Actually, for now, Ashutosh, can you break out? And Maxim, could you can you leave this meeting and start a new one and invite Ashutosh to that meeting? And Ashutosh, you and Maxim can just get started
Got it.
on the modal. And you can let him know what the modal's supposed to look like, roughly. It's supposed to look like a turnkey or a website modal.
Right. Can you send me that frame that you had added on Figma? A screenshot.
Maxim can. He has full Figma access because he's on the front end.
Okay.
Yeah. And Jomar and JP and Sangeet, you guys are good. We're gonna talk a bunch of server stuff right now. But that's
Alright, bye.
for the most part. Thanks, fellas.
Yeah, bye, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, so Kerman, go ahead.
Sorry.
What was
Can
this?
you explain what pipeline updates you created yesterday with Wasim?
Yeah, I just added a line there in the pipeline to run the application, but Wasim told me that he already set it up bash trigger for that, and he also sent me the snippet. But yeah, but I just removed the command for run the application. That was a PM2 command that auto runs the application whenever it deployed to the to a cloud. Yes.
GCP.
Yes.
So what command are you using now?
He just sent me the bash restart command. I think sudo restart something.
Oh yeah, I know that one. Yeah. But I'll just check your GitHub file for the pipeline instructions in the website
Yes.
repo.
Yeah, check the deployment file.
So so did you push that onto the main branch and then was the deployment was successful?
Yeah, deployment is successful, but I don't know the situation on server side because I didn't check the on server side, but the deployment is successful. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, we'll just wait for Wasim to let us know.
Yeah. Go on, Aaron.
Oh no, I was just saying we're gonna just wait for Wasim to tell us what on his side, on the GCP side, what the update is on what we how he got it up and running. But I would like to, because he reverted. We pushed yesterday, but that caused a 502 gateway. So Wasim reverted it to the Tuesday push. I would like to implement back the Wednesday push today because we have a bunch of updates from that to put from yesterday. But I don't want it to crash. So I'm gonna make sure that okay. Copy that. I just want us to make sure that it doesn't crash again with a 502 gateway if I push the push from yesterday. Just to update you, Wasim, I was thinking I would like to have all these updates that across the website to push it today so that we have all those updates onto Google Cloud Platform.
It's related with website thing.
So remember there was you reverted yesterday. You reverted the GCP repo to the Tuesday push because the Wednesday push was causing an issue because there were build errors, right? I'm gonna try to manually do the build on my local today so that before I merge the develop branch to the main and trigger the deployment, hopefully that won't cause any errors on GCP.
Okay.
But we do want those updates from yesterday put back onto GCP today. So I'm gonna try.
You can create a PR and it should be get updated automatically as per pipeline.
Okay.
Has that issue as well.
So just to clear things up, Kerman said that you put a trigger on the this GCP to do the commands, or he's also putting the commands onto the pipeline instructions.
Yeah, they updated in the pipeline yesterday. They have fixed their issue. And once you create a PR, it should get deployed automatically as per pipeline. It should work.
Okay. Sounds good. Are you guys going to be available in the next couple of hours? Because we have one more meeting today, but I would like to push that like after the meeting and then be able to confer with you guys if there was any issues, you know?
Oh, let's prioritize this, Adrian. Let's do pushes and whatnot. Imam's gonna be late to the executive meeting anyway, so can we just do this stuff right now?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Okay, yeah, let's get on that.
I'm just creating the build locally. So give me a moment. I've got a type error on profile page, index page, unused TS expect error directive. Let me just send this screenshot to Max and Huh. Okay, Kerman,
Yes, yes, Edwin.
can you approve my merge from develop to main on the website, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Just a status update, the build was successful on my side, and also I rectified some errors for the run dev. So it worked on, I saw the website on my local, and the build was also successful.
Okay, it's done.
Thank you, Kerman. I guess we just wait. Wasim, can you check on your side if that went through?
Pipeline is still running. Just give me a sec.
Oh, the pipeline is still running. Okay,
Yeah, I will check.
thank you.
Pipeline is success.
I see that. Awesome. Thank you. Can you check on your side, Wasim?
Did it work?
It looks like it's working from my computer on the website, but I'm just waiting on Wasim to check if there's any issues on the GCP.
Did he fall asleep?
No, he just unmuted himself just now.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I can see latest pull request merge pull request number 20207. That is
It was-
successfully deployed. If it's working, it's been everything is good.
Yeah, it looks like I just logged in with logged out and logged in with Manan's credentials. So Gary, you want to check on
Oh.
your computer?
I'll give it a shot. Yeah, I'll do the login. I can tell it's updated because I can tell it's updated.
Okay.
Why is there? Do it. What username are you using? Like, if I log in, can you not have two people logged in at the same time?
No, I'm sure you're allowed to do that.
So what's the
Oh, I
password?
can log
Just
out.
pass, right?
Yeah, I'll log out.
Yeah, I'm still getting a network error.
That's another thing too. Like we should have error handlings for all of these instead of just a network error. You should let the user know what exactly is going on in terms of, oh, are they logged in a different computer, or password is wrong.
Yes. So the password is just pass capital P, right?
Mm-hmm.
mkdave27
Yeah.
gmail.com.
Yep.
Yep, I'm not able to log in.
Okay. I logged out, so, and I just deleted the window.
Yeah, I'm reloading the window and nothing.
You mean there's nothing that's showing up, or
I'm getting a network error.
oh,
So
on
I'm-
your
Yeah, I'm unable to log in. When I click log in with the correct credentials, it says network error and the
Did you-
window goes away.
okay? Did you try to log? When you closed the window and got back up, you logged in again?
Does this not work? Oh, it does work. Okay. It's not, should turn into an eyeball though.
Yeah.
Log in, network error.
Oh, that's not happening on. Let me check one more time on my side. Oh, I am getting a network error. It was fine earlier. 400 bad requests for images, and then there's the access. There's a CORS issue from the login, blocked by CORS. That's not a DevOps issue though.
So is that on GCP?
I don't think that is an issue with Kerman or Wasim, but it has to do with course issues like Wasim, you changed the .env to the URL, right? Instead of localhost.
Yeah, I changed, but I can confirm again.
Yeah, because right now we're having issues with the course policy. The one that they're saying is that https://api.turn.ac/login.
This one I have in .env.
I'm sorry. Oh, it's the right
Can you
one.
share your screen? Is it
Yeah.
working locally?
Let me share my screen. Can you see the error?
Yeah, I can. Turn.ac has been blocked by course policy. Yeah, that's correct. As api.turn.ac is not lying, website URL.
So it's correct on your side. This is more a developer.
You just need to add course in the api.turn.ac.
You mean in the back end?
Work on it. api.turn.ac is working.
You tell me.
Yeah, server is working. And
No. Yeah, it looks like it's working. Server is working.
yeah, just need to add www.turn.ac in course of API server.
On the API server?
Exactly.
What do we need to add? I'm sorry, say that one more time.
You just need to add course, allow regions in API server. That's it.
But it
Might
should
be, we have setting in .env file. Let me check. Yeah, database backend. And Manan is in call.
Yeah, he's in the call.
Yeah.
Manan, you just need to add the region in database database project. Let me share my screen.
I'll get off.
This is the repo. And I have no .env file. You just need to add some codes or origins in this repo. you can do some R&D.
There's no .env in the API repo. You
Exactly.
say okay.
But might be there is some a very common error we face. But the solution is you just need to add front end domains in backend system so they can recognize the origins and allow the response.
Right.
Yeah. This issue is on Manan end, I guess.
Okay.
So what should I add in the course?
You can search about it.
But
This
you have
is
to give me
not
a
app, right?
URL or something.
Let
for
me
the front end.
do for you. This is not app, right?
Yeah, it's a Node application.
Yeah, course. You added some course in Express.js.
Course is already in the backend. I'm just asking for the URL.
Yeah, the
What
URL
URL
is
should I use? The api.turn.ac?
yeah. Not this is the backend URL, right? The front end URL required in course.
Yeah, because it looks like on the app.js we have course origin localhost 3000, but we don't have www.turn.ac allowed on there.
Yeah, Manan, I sent you this domain URL. Yeah, this one. You can see?
Yeah.
Manan?
Yeah.
You just added, HTTP localhost 3000. You just need to add other domain www.turn.ac.
Yeah, you don't have to take out the local host, right, Wasim? You just have to add it because we need to test it on local.
Yeah, I'm keeping that localhost too.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess after that it should work. And I just jump into other call and you can, contact me later if there is some issue. I'll be available. Is that okay? Yeah. Thank you.
So
Yeah.
Oh no, that's okay. I'll text you if once we get this up and running,
Yeah.
Wasim.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thanks, Wasim.
Thank you.
So Manan, if you want to just add the URL to the course and then push that to the Firebase, and then I'll merge it to main.
Okay, one second.
Okay.
Hey, dude, can you check now? Hello.
Yeah, I'm checking.
Yeah.
Sorry, my mic was off. I said I confirmed. Yeah, I'll do it right now. Okay, I've merged it. There is a pipeline for this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It looks like it was a success. But then my question is that if the .env is ignored, pushing it to GitHub, and then we push it to GCP, he would have to manually put the .env in there, Wasim.
Yeah.
Let me go text him for a sec. while we're waiting for Wasim, Manan, I have a question for you. If the user logs in on TernKey, shouldn't we have the URL turn.ac/turnkey on the .env as well on GCP?
Like all the URLs in the .env file?
I'm asking you if would just the turn.ac suffice, or okay, here's Wasim.
Yeah, Adrian. I guess Manan added .env file in database project, right?
For the local he did, and I merged it to main, but that is on the git ignore because we don't want that on GitHub. So don't you have to manually add that to your
Yeah, I can see .env file in backend. I missed that. The backend, the env file is in backend directory, not in root directory.
Not in where?
Not in root directory. I can find .env file in backend directory. Yeah, as app code is in backend directory.
Right. Okay. So what's in that? Can you see what's in that .env file right now?
Yeah, we have login key. Yeah, I can share my screen.
Oh, got it. Okay.
There is no URL in the .env file.
Oh, it's in the code. You change the app.js to make sure that the cores has the API.turn.ac. Okay. He just pushed that, Wasim? Did you get it on GCP?
Sorry?
Did you get the updates onto?
Oh, let me check. That this is codes.
He hasn't got.
Give me a second. Just
There should be 4 URLs now.
this is latest code was on December 17.
Because we just pushed, and it said that the deployment status said that the push for the for the database is up to date at 9:35.
Yeah. Did you push in main branch?
Yeah.
But
That's
in
the
main,
only one that's the only one that has the pipeline.
no. Okay. Should I pull the latest code or not? Should I pull the latest code or not?
It's up to you. Like, shouldn't it be? Where's Kerman? Shouldn't it be already like up there, anyways?
Yeah,
Since
exactly.
the
Exactly.
pipeline.
Yeah, it should be.
Sorry, say it again.
Yeah, I was saying that I merged the Firebase branch to the main branch on the database repo. Shouldn't that trigger the pipeline? Because Wasim is seeing that there's no updates on the main branch on the database in Google Cloud Platform right now.
So for database, I think we have pipeline to. Let me check. It should run if you merge anything into the main.
Right. On Discord, it says that the deployment was a success.
But what about the
I'm sorry.
GCP?
I'm sorry.
If if deployment is a success on the in backend,
Give me a second. Might be I needed to relog in on server. Okay.
Okay.
I log in. TernKey.
is it backend, Adrian?
Yeah. Still, we have latest December 17th.
Can you recheck the commands for the GitHub Actions, the pipeline, to see if that's actually what Wasim has on the database repo instructions as well?
Yeah, let me check.
Kerman, you can't share your screen. Can you share your screen so that Wasim can see the pipeline instructions?
Okay. PM2 is also running this pipeline. Let me.
Is that what you? That's not what you're using, Wasim, right?
Yeah, I can show to the Kirman. Kirman, can you verify the IP address as well? Yeah.
IP address is in this secrets. We cannot open it. We can only
Yeah.
study it. Let me check from this one.
Might be some issue with the rake pull about get status. Yeah. Yeah. I guess I found the issue. Gary, might be we get rake about pull about the issue.
Yeah, this is it, I think.
Yeah. This one aborting. Let me Kirman, can you rerun the workflow?
So,
Can you rerun the workflow?
yeah, I'm just updating the pipeline. As you don't need this PM2 command, right?
No.
I just commented it out.
Wait a minute. Just wait a minute.
Okay.
Okay, can you rerun the workflow?
Sorry.
Can you rerun the workflow again?
Yes, I need someone to approve this pull request. It will rerun.
Coming.
Edwin, can you please approve?
Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
Yes.
Number 41, correct? Okay, merged.
Yeah, deployment is also a success.
Yeah, I just checked the login and it's still giving me errors.
Yeah, I can see latest code is deployed now.
Oh, you saw it. Okay.
Gen 9.
It's unable to get some modules for it. It's npm code ex and some other plugins there. Sorry, modules there is not able to find. Therefore, it's getting those errors and some permission errors.
Wait, could you repeat that one more time, Kerman? I'm sorry, I was reading something.
Yeah, let me just share my screen.
Okay.
Kirman, you install PM2 on
Yes,
the server as well.
yes. Getting these errors it is related to the code.
It's related to the code?
Yes.
Wait a minute. Just try to find someone.
Okay.
Yeah, on it. Just a minute. Adrian, can you retry now?
Okay.
Wait a second, just. Adrian, wait a second, just.
Okay.
Yeah. I found this issue, Manan.
Yeah.
When I run npm, rename. Okay. Can you remove node module and then try again on locally, Manan?
What do you mean?
When I try to install npm install, they send some, this issue. Can you guys give me just 5 minutes? I'll contact you, reconnect you.
Okay.
Yeah. Meanwhile, Manan, try to, remove node module from the backend, this directory, and try to reinstall by using
Okay.
npm install.
But what before you go, Wasim, the node modules are already ignored.
Yeah, absolutely. But as per packages install, they are sending some error. I just wondering it's producing locally. I have currently node module 23.30. You can reconfirm its same version is installed in our local.
One sec. I have 2016.
I have
Okay,
2017.
can you recheck by removing the node module and then installing again? I will just reconnect you in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Adrian.
Yeah, Manoj.
Can you approve that?
Oh, sure. Done. Hey, Kerman.
Yes, Edwin.
Can you share a screenshot of the error to my Discord?
Okay.
I didn't fully see it.
Let me just copy the text and send it to you.
Okay. Thank you.
Sure. Sorry, Edwin, that was previous error. Let me send you the updated one.
Okay.
I just sent you.
Thank you.
Sorry guys. Manan, can you share your local node variant?
Yeah, I have pushed my updates to main. So it should be on GCP.
Okay. Let me check. Yeah, I can see update commit, and yeah, it should work now. Just need to check the service. This is for you. Kirman, are you available?
Sorry.
Are you available? I share my screen.
Yes. Yes.
But you guys deployment status.
Uh,
Did you get
yes.
the
Yes.
deployment
I'll
status?
just share it to you.
It looks like it's a success.
Actually, the deployment is
Yeah, deployment status.
with this error.
It looks like
Let me share in the group.
oh, he was asking about the deployment status of the current push. Kerman.
It's
So
successful.
I looked at it and it's successful.
Successful. But on GCP, it is failed. You just need to, that's why I shared my screen. You just get the status from this service. If the service is failed, it's mean deployment is not successfully deployed. I shared you this thing as well.
Okay. I'll just add this service in the pipe.
Let me troubleshoot the issue now.
Yeah, it is already there. Sudo service.
This was restart.
So you also want to see the status also, right?
Sorry.
Okay. I'll add for the status also. Add line for the status.
Okay. You should get the actual status from this command. Okay, and not empty rename. This is the error I am. Okay, all good. Can you restart the workflow, Kirman? Last workflow.
Sorry.
Can you restart the last workflow? I just want to see is it auto deploy or not. I have fixed the error.
Yeah, I just updated.
No, just want to read.
Yeah, I just updated file. I just updated the
Sorry?
file. If Edwin, can you approve the pull request 43?
Yeah, absolutely.
It will run the pipeline also, Wasim.
Okay.
All right, merged.
It's giving some error, npm error missing script build. It's not able to find the build.
Because I don't think there's an npm involved in the database. The command to start it is node space app.js.
But earlier, just let me check for the. Yeah, what it does is it's running npm install before running the build. Yes.
Before running the build.
Then it runs the build, and the error is coming from the npm run build.
Do you know what the errors are? Is it saying
let
on
me
there
check
or
it.
no?
Kirman, build is not involved in this script. There is the command I sent you for the this server pipeline. The first step is go in the backend directory, npm install, and that's it. Restart.
For database, right? npm install and
Yeah, for database IP. This is the deploy.
Yeah. Sorry, I missed that, I think. Yes, there is only two commands involved: npm install and service.
It should work on smoothly now.
Just let me update it. Edwin, can you take the pull request 44?
Yes. Okay, done.
Yeah, the pipeline says service is active.
Okay, check. ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਭੈਣ ਚ ਬਣ ਕੀ ਰਿਹਾ ਟੈਕਸੀ ਡਰਾਈਵਰ ਇੱਕ
Wasim, can you check from your end? Because pipeline is giving the status is running.
Yeah. Still it's failed unfortunately.
Check the screenshot that I just sent in the group.
Cannot found file store. This Manan, can you share my screen? I guess it's shared, right?
Yeah, you haven't created Firestore folder in the server. That's why.
I guess we did. CD Firestore and CD Firestore and ls.
Okay, you
Okay.
don't have another two JSON files. Okay, great.
You need to send any code or can you send the file?
Yeah.
This one.
You will need three of them. So right now you have the main key. You have to install website and Arch.
I remember we did it. Is it in Git ignore, right?
No.
It is not
Not
in
in-
Git ignore. It
No,
should
it's
be.
not in Git ignore.
It should be in Git ignore.
Mine
Okay,
is in
that's
Git
fine.
ignore.
Firestore,
and it should be in git ignore.
yeah, it is or not?
Mine on my local, it's the Firestore folder is in git ignore.
But I haven't put that Firestore folder in gitignore, so it will be not in gitignore.
Why is it? Say that one more time, Manoj.
I haven't put that particular folder into gitignore on my local. I don't think so. It will be on Firebase too.
Oh, you mean on the GitHub repo?
Yeah. So he has to install these folders manually into GCP.
Right. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, that's why we put it in git ignore so that he has to manually put it on GCP. Okay.
Gen 5. Like that. Yeah, creating new files now. Okay, one file and the other one turn arch database. Run website database. WD. LS. So we have 3 files there, and let me check it is in gitignore or not. Git status. Yeah, it is gitignore. Okay, and we have latest commit Yeah, we have latest commit of 9 Jan 9. And this should work now. And Kidman, please, you need to check the status and send correct status with us. Yeah, it is running now.
Okay, let me check. I'm still getting errors.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Still getting blocked.
www.turn.ac. Just verifying again course. I can find www.turn.ac in course and with slash, I guess. Yeah, Manan.
Can you can you share your screen?
Okay, give me a second. You can see?
Not yet.
Oh, sorry. I didn't. Okay. You should see now.
Yeah, it's coming in. Yeah.
Manan,
Hmm?
remove slash, forward slash here.
ਕੰਮ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਅੱਧੇ ਘੰਟੇ ਦਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਦੇਰ ਦਾ
नहीं नहीं चलो जो बात मुझे मिस हो गया
ਖਾਣਾ ਕੀ ਹੁਣ
मैंगो का आ जाना
ਬਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਯਾਰ ਭੁੱਖ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੈ
Rijay,
Yeah.
can you approve it?
Yeah. Done.
Okay, what's PR number? It's 44.
The PR number is 45.
45. Okay. We have 45 here. Let's finish this now. Yeah, this is turn.sc. Let's wait for the deployment status. The 8 second ago. Yeah, it's restart. Can you, sorry, Adrian, can you check now?
Yeah.
You get the status, deployment status?
Yeah, we got the deployment status on Discord.
You get it?
On Discord, yeah.
Yeah, okay, fine. Can you retry now?
Yeah.
Cross fingers.
That's what I'm doing right now while I'm typing.
Okay.
Nope, still a fail.
Can you share screen?
Yes.
Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Are you sure you get the status of this PR, not a previous one?
Say that one more time.
Are you sure you get the status of this PR deployment, not the previous one?
Well, I don't know what you're asking. I'm just
Okay,
refreshing.
let me restart one more time manually, and let's
Okay.
see. Yeah, done. Can you check now?
Yeah, let me refresh my page.
Oh
Yeah.
my God. Okay.
Course is tricky, man. It sometimes you have
Wait a moment. Has been blocked by course policy. The value of the access control or region header in the response must not be wildcard when the request. Let's do it manually. Why? I know time right now.
it's been blocked by who's it?
Uh, this is wildcard. Um,
Is this a code issue, Wasim, or can you resolve this on your side?
It's code issue.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually they are not allowing, this wildcard, this static here.
The asterisk?
Yeah. Just, fix, how fix this?
So where is that? In app.use?
Just doing some R&D how we can.
What if I change that asterisk with turn.ac URL?
Can you send?
What if I change that asterisk with turn.ac? That stars.
I think you just have to delete the asterisk. Or
Yeah, I'm just thinking as well. Let's wait a second. Can you check now? Wait a moment. Let me check. It's the deployment status. Now we get the issue. It's ready.
allowed orange.
I guess this should be not here. Adrian, can you check now?
Yeah. Still getting an error. You want me to share my screen?
Yeah, sure. Where you send it? Manan, I guess you need to check on this.
Sorry, what?
They are not allowing something went a static thing. I just removed that link, but somehow I'm still getting yes.
Wasim, are you making any changes in the code?
Just a minute. Gary, can you restart? Can you recheck?
You mean Adrian?
Yeah, Adrian. Sorry.
No worries.
I'm back, by the way, if you need me. But got it.
Uh,
Still getting the same error. Oh, wait. Although it's failed, it's a 200.
can you share your screen?
Yes. Yes. It's weird though. It is an error.
Yeah, we have, I guess, same error.
Yeah. So I guess instead of the asterisk, it should have W.
Yeah, I removed air testers as well. Just how I can share. Manan, actually, I'm not. I have no expertise in Node.js, but
Yeah,
when
I'm making changes. I'm creating a pull request. One sec.
yeah, when I
So you're Manan, you're taking out the asterisks, right?
Yeah, just merge that thing.
Got it.
46.
Oh, you already did it. Okay. Done. Successful on the disk.
Yeah. Please check.
Okay.
Okay.
But it is working on Postman.
But that doesn't have Postman doesn't
Yeah, you are right. But from the origin, it behave as separately. The request is using the origin of www.run.ac. But somehow, Manan, you can check. Otherwise, I will put some time on it, and I will update you after some time.
just also just as a comment, yeah, Postman doesn't have as many restrictions as Course does.
Yeah, and Manan, one other thing is, can you use same prompt for the chat GPT? You get some understanding. I shared you in comment.
One sec.
I shared a prompt for chat GPT. You put on the chat GPT, and hopefully you get some understanding.
Can you check the GCP, because it's showing that asterisk is using in the code, and I have removed all the asterisks from the course.
Yeah, unfortunately, get logged. Yeah, it's still 45. Oh. What's the PR number?
46.
46.
Yeah, 46.
Yeah, I have 45 still. Sorry, guys.
No worries. That's a good thing. So that
Actually, I made some changes, and before of this, I was not get the latest poll. Get poll. Oh, yeah, 46.
Come on. You see how on the deployment status center with GCP, every time something is deployed, it says the name. Can you change TernKey database to backend, since that's been renamed?
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Adrian, can you recheck last time? Otherwise, I will leave.
try one more time.
Can you check now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's working.
think it's working.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's working. It's working on my end.
Sorry. I'll present. It's working, guys. We're logged in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see profile details.
That's great. And I guess we need to do some more work on pipeline to get the exact status.
Yeah. Hey, I have a question since now that we have this up and running. The user is going to go from the website, and if the the user goes and clicks on the link to TernKey, don't we need credentials to be accessed from www.turn.ac/turnkey as well? We need that access, right? Because just in case somebody, let's say, logs out of TernKey and then logs back in on TernKey, that
I
needs
guess
to
we
be.
handled that scenario, Manan.
Sorry, what?
I
Same
guess-
session will work on complete platform. We handled that scenario.
Got it. Wait, see, you're saying you have handled that scenario, or you have not yet?
We have handled. I discussed with Manan. You can put some turn.ac with the next TernKey. It should be logged in user already.
Just click on product and TernKey. Let's see it's working or not right now.
There's no way, because there's no nobody set that up, passing the information from the website to TernKey. So you have to log in still.
Okay.
So that means we're going to need to also include in one of the allowed origins turn.ac/turnkey. But it's okay for right now.
Okay. Can
I just
where we
wanted
are storing the cookies, Manan? It should be there as well.
The cookies that will be in the front end in, I think,
Yeah.
local storage. Token will be in the local storage, if I'm not wrong.
It should be exist for turn.ac and turn.ac/turnkey, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You
So I
can
just
check
need
it.
to add /turnkey in backend also, right?
Yeah, I think that's the movement we're going to, because we're going to need to have the user still logged in TernKey, but TernKey needs access to the backend. So, but I think.
But I don't think so. I have to add that URL into course, because like turn.ac is allowed. So any slash
Exactly.
will be working.
Oh, okay. So
We just
anything.
have to tackle the that session thing in front end where token should be shared with TernKey.
Got it. Okay, so then everything that's a subdomain or a subfolder in turn.ac is allowed.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Got it. So we don't have to do anything. Perfect. Thank you, everyone. Gary, I think you're able to log in now.
All right, let's give it a
You
shot.
want to check it on your
Yeah.
side? I'm gonna log out of mine so you can do it.
No, it's working. You can log in also. He can log in his browser. It's working. At the
With your same credentials at the same time?
Yeah. Because I have tried. You were also logged in. I have also tried
What's
logging in.
yours? What is it? Manan
MK
J. Dave.
No, it was MK. Yeah, 27.
Sorry guys, I need to leave. I just stayed here for this issue.
Yeah.
Thank you, Wasim. Talk
Thank
to you
you,
later.
Wasim.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, so I was able to log in. Are we able to create accounts?
You
Yeah,
should
that
be.
could be also working. Try
That
it.
could also be working.
Try
Okay,
it.
log out. Sure, I'll save it. And now I should have an account now, right?
Yeah.
That should automatically log me in then. Request failed with status code 400.
Post login and get
Check your
user.
mail. Check your mail.
What did you say, Manan?
Uh, uh, check, Gary, check your mail. Did you get any type of verification or something?
Yes.
Yeah, then
Yeah.
verify it.
I was about to ask that. I was like, wasn't there a second step to verify? But the website is not saying that, correct? Currently?
No, it's not showing that model. That verify your email.
Okay, I'll take a note on that.
When I click verify, it says that I'm being submitted information to an external page. I click OK. Then I get a local host.
Yeah,
You
that's
error
not set to.
confused.
Okay.
Excuse me.
You're excused.
Thank you.
It will not work. It
Still,
will not work because like still that reset password is using localhost instead of turn.ac.
everything has to be removed from localhost and migrated. Everything. So, okay. So sign up doesn't work. Login works. And sign up, the workflow isn't correct. We need to have. I mean, I thought we weren't going to do email verification. Wait, yeah, we have to get rid of email verification on sign up. You verify your email if you want to later on, but that's an extra step.
Did you ixnay that from the process?
Yes, we got rid of verification so that when somebody signs up for a service or a product, they're able to streamline straight to payment.
Got it.
We can implement verification. We can
Just,
implement a bunch of
Gary,
security
can you ask
later.
can you ask Maxim which endpoint he is using for the website sign up?
Sign up.
Yeah, so Arch sign up doesn't have that function where he sends email verification. That should not be called.
But it is being called. So what's going on then?
Which email ID have you used?
MK Dave 27.
And I also
No.
and then I was using my Turn email to sign up. So Gary did more.
Yeah, that's already in the Firebase right now. The username is there. I can see the email, password, everything.
Okay, and
But if that's the
I'm
case,
not
then
allowed
the
to sign in.
well, you were trying to sign up. But if that's the case, then the front end should have error handling to tell the user that the email is already being used.
Okay.
Yeah, that is already there. That's why it was throwing 400 email already exists if he's trying to create new email.
No,
Is that what it- is
no.
that what it
If I
says?
no, when I'm able to create an account and it sends me email verification and everything, but when I sign in, it gives me the request failed with status code 400.
And what error message it is showing?
Request failed with status code 400.
That's it.
Correct. Yeah, we'll make an updated error message.
That's one more like running thing that we need to keep in mind is I think I've like said it a few times, and we need to make sure that there's some error handling going on.
Yes, that would make life easier knowing what the heck is going on when we get errors. So
Yeah.
it's definitely important. But this is a whole balancing act of priorities.
Absolutely.
So, but I do agree that like that's something that would streamline work. So going forward, Maxim, let's do our best to define error messages.
Yes, we discussed it with Manan yesterday.
I mean, they can be tricky though, because even though you know that it's throwing a 200 or 300 error, you might have to do your research to find out what exactly does that error mean. What does that mean? An email or a password? So
True. And it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be from the front end also, because then the back end knows exactly, the API knows exactly what's going wrong. We should just make sure that we translate that so that the back end can send that message to the front end so the user can see it.
yes, yeah.
I think there might be one issue with the login function. We are using login function in Turn, in website, and in Arch. And in website and Arch, we are not verifying email ID. But in TernKey, we have created functions the way that they have to verify email ID to log in.
Sorry to disturb you guys. Do you still need me in this meeting?
Thank you, Kerman. But I believe we're good for right now.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Thanks, Kerman. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye.
I feel bad. I should have said something.
I don't know. What do you mean? I wish Kerman and Wasim were here all freaking day. We could just keep on going.
And I think that's the issue. I have to remove that login thing, the email function from the login. So it will not send email. It will not cause any error in website and Arch.
Well,
But
what's easier? Because we're gonna need to add verification at some point. So should we oh,
then I just have to change this localhost to turn.ac and
well, what we want is this is what we want. We want a verification email to be sent no matter what, but we don't want you to need to use it. Like a lot of websites do that. A lot of websites let you log in, but it's not necessary for you to verify the email. And that's why in settings they give you an option to verify your email because you didn't have to do it to log into the account.
Oh, so you can do it like on your own time, but once you sign up, you don't need to do it right then and there.
Yes, you don't have to do it right then and there so that we streamline people getting accounts. And that's why let me
okay, I can do one thing. I can make email ID optional for now, email verification in login. So it will send you a email for the verification. If you don't verify that email ID at the same time, it will expire. The token will be expired, but you can log in without verifying email ID. That
Yes.
works.
Yeah. So this is what happens when you enable for an email. If it's not enabled, it'll say disabled, and when you hover over it, it'll say enable. You click it, and then just like the phone number, this thing will show up that allows you to put in that email, and then you update, and that's how you'll be able to. Oh, wait, is that how? Oh man, that's update your ID. Oh, let me see. Okay, no, this is where you do it. So in contact information, that's how you do 2FA, but you're not able to do. We would have a toaster show up that if you did 2FA for either one, if you clicked this button, turning 2FA on, a toaster would pop up that says you need to verify your account first, and then it would slide you down to this location, and this is where you update your email address and contact info, and then you click verify if you haven't already. And then this disappears if you're already verified. So you are able to log in without verification.
Okay.
So please enter email to reset your password. Yes, and also to reset your password, same thing. If somebody clicked reset password without having their email verified, we would have to we'd have to add another modal here that says you have to verify your email first.
If they forgot their password, how will they reset them? Like verify their email ID.
You click reset, and then you type in your email. Oh, wait, I guess you don't have to verify. You don't have to verify to reset, because here we're telling you to enter your email anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that doesn't matter. So because the reset password, whatever's sent to your email, acts as a verification method. But and maybe what we could do is also say that if somebody does reset their password, then that counts as a verification. We would consider their email verified if they did this step, even though we're not explicitly stating that. And then they get a email sent stuff. Okay. They'd have to go through the whole progress. So they'd have to click this modal, and then they would have to actually reset their password. And when they reset it, then we go, okay, we believe you. That email is now verified, and it works everywhere. And then they're able to use 2FA and whatnot. So that's how it should work.
Gary, do you have an update on Malika or Chris today?
Chris told me he wasn't going to show up. 3 days in a row, he said he wasn't going to show up. So, for different reasons. So now for reason number 5,000. He says he's going to go to a cafe later to get some work done and resolve to get some work done.
Okay.
So yeah, he's doing Chris stuff. He's going very slow, turtle mode. So just
because from going from the website to TernKey involves the task that he has with the login modal. So
yeah, we don't have to get hit on that yet, though. TernKey is always on the back burner. TernKey is slow and steady. We don't even want to do that fast.
Okay.
We want to do the website and Arch quickly and efficiently and in high quality. But the TernKey, we want to do slow and with high quality.
Okay.
So, and Malika did not. Let's see if she'll answer. What time is it? Actually, I'm not gonna call her because pretty sure it's the middle of the night right now. No,
Oh,
it's
she's
not
back.
that late. It's not that late. She's in India. It's
Oh,
actually not that late. She might be up. It's only like 10:30. Hey Malika, would you mind giving us a quick update?
Hi, Gary.
Hey Malika, could you hop in here real quick? The link I just sent you.
Okay, I'll join. I'll join right away.
Perfect. Thank you. All right, she's on her way.
Gary, did you need me for anything?
That no, we're good. You can get back to it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Talk later. Bye.
Bye.
see you, Manan.
Yeah.
Hi, Gary. Hi, Anjan.
Hey, how's it going?
Yeah, it's going good.
We just wanted to know what the update on JP's pull request is.
So I was just a little bit stuck. I couldn't do today properly, but right now I will start working on it again, and I'll give you the update after once I'm done today.
Okay, sounds good.
So actually, I had a little meeting with Maxim regarding ISO thing. So I'm just working on it right now. I'm just helping him regarding this.
Okay.
It just takes only an hour or something. But yeah, with maybe I'll update you what I did today in the alternative Scrum meeting.
Sounds good.
Anything is there?
I think you're good to go. Thank you, Malika.
Okay, thank
Unless
you.
Barry needs anything, but I believe you're fine.
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you, Adrian.
See you soon.
Sure. Bye bye.
Okay. Are we? I was just on another call there for a second. Malika make some progress or what?
She said that she had some issues before, but she's going to work on it now. But she also was talking to Maxim and was helping him out with something. So that will be an hour, and then she'll get to the task that I assigned her.
Oh yeah, she was working on something. For Maxim, it's really simple. She's just rewriting her code in alphabetical order.
Oh, got it.
For the list. Okay. Well, all set. And what's your availability like? I know Saturday you're not working.
No, I'm working Saturday night, tomorrow night. What's today? Today's
yes.
Thursday. Yeah, I'm working for the next 3 nights, and then I'm off Sunday.
Okay, so let's put the executive meeting for Sunday.
Okay.
It's so easy to push it off just because it's not a just because of what it's about this week.
Yeah.
Nothing that really touches development.
No worries.
Okay, well, other than that, I mean, that was a lot, so I gotta like wrap my brain around.
For sure. Okay, I'll talk to you tomorrow morning then.
Sounds good. Talk to you later. Thank you.
See ya. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.